In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create TurboTax account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what information to enter, and a few best practices to keep your new account secure and ready to use. First, head to the TurboTax homepage and look for the Start for Free button. It's usually front and center or near the top of the page. It's designed to be easy to spot. Clicking Start for Free takes you into the sign-up flow so you can begin creating your account without paying anything upfront. If you see options to sign in, don't worry, you're in the right place. You're going to create a new account instead of signing in to an existing one. Next, you'll see a short form asking for your email address, a password, and a phone number. Enter an email address you check frequently, since important notices and verification messages will go there. If you have multiple email accounts, choose the one you're most likely to monitor during tax season. For the password, create something strong and unique. A good rule of thumb is to use a long passphrase with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid anything easy to guess like birthdays or common words. A password manager can help you generate and securely store a strong password so you don't have to memorize it. For your phone number, use a mobile number you can access right away. This helps with security verification and account recovery, and it can make signing in faster if you choose to use text-based codes in the future. After you've entered your email, password, and phone number, click the Create Intuit Account button. TurboTax is part of Intuit, so the single account works across other Intuit products as well. Once you click that button, the account creation process is complete on your end. Depending on your settings and region, you may see a prompt to confirm your email or receive a text to verify your phone number. If you do, just follow the on-screen instructions to finish securing the account. If you don't see a verification prompt right away, keep an eye on your inbox for a confirmation message that might arrive shortly after. That's all there is to it. You clicked Start for Free, filled in your email, password, and phone number, and then selected Create Intuit Account. Before you move on, consider saving your login details in a secure place and avoiding public or shared computers for future sign-ins. You're now ready to start your tax journey with TurboTax, and you can come back to your account anytime to pick up where you left off.